So many thuglaws I shoot and I spray, and I'm affiliated. I mean, it's about the tie weed, and I'm made. And hoe ass niggas playing skirt, ass, on the dust, 50 miles in their house. And they booty cracking it down, smoke, eliminate they weak ass smoke in their crew. The beach, and the gloss be dancing from my middle finger to the law. And I'm all headed heartless with my hand reaching for my mic 11, selling drugs. The bitch in the streets getting high, smoke another bone. First they booty, I suck the dick. I got the Hennessy, I'm sipping on flesh, ripping to your ass. Now test this, I'm a blooded female, want it sexually. Now fuck my brains on the concrete, that's that sex up in some therapy. That's the fears, man. They get they plot for my pistol, the bus and rush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. So fuck up the law, provoking, testing my having positive to do anything they try. I know they die, let me die, and I rush on you motherfuckers. Yeah, get my Glocks and make me rush and bust. I think I'm fucking with the guys, no stop. I was raised on the block. I think I'm fucking from my period, no beat, and I'm a sinner. I'm a natural bug and supernatural for the drama. And the revolution in the club, scary women. You whole group of pussy ass whack ass nigga attack. I truly really want to get down on my niggas and make my pistol bust on the cops out the penitentiaries off the beach. Yeah, I really want to make my pistol bust on the cops out the penitentiaries off the beach. I really want to make my pistol bust on the cops. When fist fights drawn, double eyes. Here come the cops at the back shows. Don't want to be a rap performer. I'm in the jail, packing thugs. Motherfucking which I thought y'all was. So now I rush and I still flip. So fuck all you motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm a two-time class motherfucker. I'm on my hustle. A part-time thug dealer. You know, a natural born cause for catastrophe in your victim videos. Motherfuckers with action unified for troops. Motherfucking do for motherfucking with my 4-5. Yes, I'm spitting profanity for you mothers never learned the word up is you. So fuck your videos, fuck your photograph. This is pussy little pulse, little faggot ass motherfuckers in real life. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. They deadly plot for my pistol, the bus and brush on the cap. No, I don't want to see nothing but an injury. So many thuglaws I shoot and I